It's actually a beautiful day out here today. A little bit windy, a little bit chilly, but a lot better than negative 40 wind chill, I guess. Let's see, so I've already moved the sheep once today into their smaller temporary paddock, and I'm just getting ready to move them to their bigger overnight paddock.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, she likes playing with you. Go ahead, go play with her. Somebody is sure feeling frisky over here. She's probably one of the smallest sheep too, so the fact that she's trying to headbutt the ram is pretty crazy. She's going after the second biggest ewe and even trying to roughhouse with the ram. That's just crazy. She was just climbing on the doghouse.